Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter chicken sauce. We'll begin by gathering all our key ingredients, including about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken, 2 large tomatoes, and a half cup of heavy cream. Don't forget fresh ginger, garlic, and a selection of aromatic spices like garam masala and turmeric. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the foundation of our sauce. In a large pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and sauté 1 finely chopped onion until translucent. Then, add 1 tablespoon each of minced ginger and garlic, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in about 1 cup of tomato puree, letting it simmer for 10 minutes to deepen its flavor before adding your spices. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to introduce the chicken. Add your pre-cooked or marinated chicken pieces to the simmering sauce, ensuring they are well coated. Reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of sugar for that signature richness and a balanced sweetness. To complete our delicious butter chicken sauce, a few final touches make all the difference. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, adding a vibrant freshness. Serve this rich and creamy dish piping hot alongside fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. It's a truly satisfying meal, perfect for sharing with family and friends, and surprisingly simple to create at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.